The first, an original Merlion, which stands at the seashore between Fullerton Hotel and Esplande Bridge. The second Merlion you can find is behind the original one, which is a small fountain. The third Merlion is located at 1 Fullerton. Once you finish your visit to the original one, look for your left and you can see past any tourists. Go forward, you will find the entrance next to the seashore. Walk inside and you will find the Colourful Merlion next to the staircases. The fourth one is located at the Fullerton Waterboat house. Walk back to the original Merlion and further your walk underneath Esplande Bridge. You will see the store on your left just next to the seashore. The fifth one is located at Imbiah on Sentosa Island. Land off Imbiah Station by Sentosa Express. Then you can locate it. The sixth one is located at the plaza of Resorts World. You can reach there by getting off Resorts World Station by Sentosa Express. Let's launch your detective journey of Merlions. Check out for more Merlions yourself. Best of luck! Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for your future discovery.